This is my water system for my house, and I had to come up with this because our city water system, the water tank that supplies our house, is at the same elevation as the house is. We're at 930 feet or something like that, and just so happens the tank is the exact same elevation as our house. So if something happens in the city, or a water line break, or they have a big fire and have to use a lot of water, our water pressure would drop for days and sometimes weeks at a time. So I came up with this. The water comes in, goes to the tank. I got 250 gallons of water, and then it pumps into the house like a well pump. But I had to come up with this to solve the problem. But then I started getting problems with debris getting into my Hudson valve. It's got a valve in the tank that stops the water when the tank fills up, but debris was getting in it and causing it to stay open, and then it was flooding my basement. And as you can see, it's happened to me again, but this time I caught it before it's too bad. The other two times was real bad. It flooded everything in the basement. I had about 6 inches of water in the basement one time. But it works really good. And then another problem I had, one time the water went off and I didn't know it. And I come down here and the pump was running hot as a firecracker. So I come up with this automatic shutoff valve, or switch. I mean, it's a float switch that they use on like sump pumps in a basement. But it goes down this pipe all the way almost to the bottom and then curls up. I don't think you can see it, but we'll try it and see. See it down there in the bottom corner? What that does is if the water drops too low in the tank and the pump can't pick it up, that drops down and cuts the pump off. So I came up with that, I guess it was sometime last year, and it's working really good. And then I added this sediment filter in as it comes out of the pump, and it goes up into the house. But now I've come up with another modification I need to do. I've got these little high-tech things to add to it. What I'm going to do, this is an automatic cutoff valve, and then this is a water sensor. So what it does, this little sensor here goes in top of the tank, and I'll put a some kind of adjustment on it so I can raise it up and down to what level it needs to be. And wires go to it and go to this thing, and this controls it, or that will trigger this and it controls this valve. So what will happen, if water level comes up and touches these, it basically shorts this out, triggers this, and then it'll send 12 volts to this valve that will cause it to close. So I'm hoping this is going to solve my problem so I don't have to worry about it all the time. I have to come down here every day and check things out because I'm afraid it's going to flood everything. But I'm going to put it in right here on the back side of that filter before it gets to the pressure regulator.